it's MK and I am here with a super quick puppy layout for you guys today, and I am playing along with my Kit Conspiracy kit. So the first thing that I did was picked out all the elements that I thought would go really good with my puppy layout from the kit. So I made this page kit in advance on Sunday, I believe, and just thought that all of these little sayings and things were absolutely perfect. Now, I don't use all of them. I think that picture perfect day is not used, but I've got one little photo of the corgis that I babysit along with my Roscoe laying on the floor, actually watching me cook. And then I'm going to fussy cut out these stars, and I have this gorgeous wood grain paper, you guys. This is brand new from Stampin' Up, coming out next month in May. So May 1st, be on the lookout. It is a whole collection of wood grain. So I'm going to put the link down below because it is not available until May, but the link will be down there for when you guys are ready to go check out all the wood grain in this paper collection. It is fabulous. So also too, I'm supposed to tell you guys that I will get a little commission off of it if you guys purchase from this, because Close to My Heart closed its doors and I became a Stampin' Up consultant. So just to let you guys know, I've always been a big fan of Stampin' Up, but I stuck with Close to My Heart because I love their cardstock, and I use a lot of their cardstock in my die cutting and things like that. So if you see my hands go a little wonky, it's because I am talking either to Janet or I am talking to one of my children. I have no clue at this point in time, but I knew I wanted to cover up the trash can that Roscoe is sitting in the hallway. And on the corner of the hallway into the kitchen is where we have our trash can currently until we do the remodel. And so it's basically just hanging out there. What it is this is actually my first, I believe, don't quote me on that, my first picture that I took of the puppies on the new flooring sometime in 2021, I want to say. We had a flood, 3 times over, because we kept fixing it, and our flooring finally just gave out and we had to replace it when we didn't realize the flooring was getting that bad. We thought the leaks were just a little bit and a little bit and a little bit, and then a little bit became a lot. So anyways, not that has anything to do with these adorable puppies, but Roscoe does love it when they come over to play, and I babysit them for a weekend or a couple weeks or something like that. He just is so super entertained with them, and it helps a lot with, they haven't been over since poor Shadow, but yes, he loves them. He's made friends with the corgi next door, and so he goes over there and hangs out along the fence line over there. So it's just super cute and whatnot. And we've been contemplating about getting Roscoe another friend. But it's also that time in our lives where our kids are starting to get old enough and we want to travel, and Roscoe does not travel well. So it's a huge decision that we need to make. So anyways, once I have decided where and what I'm going to put down, and it's basically just, very good positive vibes. The puppies are just chilling, relaxing, having a wonderful day. And I wanted the title to be Take Note, because sometimes humans need to do this too. Sometimes humans just need to lay down or sit down and relax, honestly. So off camera, I scuffed up all the edges of my larger stars, and then I decided that I was going to fill in some of the gaps with the smaller stars. It's kind of weird that there's no inner between stars, right? So one of the things that I was contemplating on was whether or not I was going to use the smaller stars, and then I realized I had a lot of gaps, and it would look kind of cool if I scattered the stars and sprinkled them within my star line and not go out too far. So I'm going to do that really quick. I took my fingernails and just scuffed up the edges to give them a little bit of lift, and now I'm popping them up. So my big stars are actually glued straight down to the page, which I think I accidentally didn't record that part. I think I fussy cut them out and then scattered them and then forgot to hit the record button when I actually glued the stars down. I apologize about that, you guys. But the little stars are actually just popped up on some dimensionals from Stampin' Up as well. But trust me, guys, this will not be a Stampin' Up heavy thing. I love their dimensionals, and I always use them unless I need something larger for my photos. So that's when I use the Fun Foam. Finishing this layout with some sprinkles, which is some White Dilutions paint spray from Dina Wakley. So I went ahead and did that just to give it a little bit more of a scattering and splattering. And I love this layout, you guys. I love how it works. I love how matchy-matchy the wood grain is in my photo. Oh my gosh, this wood grain is awesome, and I'm gonna need more of it. I can just picture it already. And did you see the backside? Yes. All right. So here's where I tell you guys to don't forget to check out all the other links down below for those of us that are playing along with the Paw Hop. Paw Your Way Into Our Hearts is actually the official name of it. And also I have a Facebook link down below for Kit Conspiracy, as well as Janet's channel link, but she's also playing along with Paw Hop today too. So woohoo, bonus videos. All right, you guys, again, thank you so much, and I'll check y'all later. Bye.